Racing as they battle for the 2011 Philracom Garnet 3. We have High Money break quickly at the start. Pretty Lizari outside. Mikey's Barkley moving up. Prince Isaiah, Zulong Pinoy Whistler, while Boss Barawana is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have High Money by a length and a half. Mikey's in second. Barkley is down on the inside. Alongside comes Fritil. Sulong Pinoy comes next. Then Prince Isaiah, then next on line is Boss Barawana, while Whistler now racing in last by about 8 lengths of the pace. Back to the leader, we have High Money by about 3/4 of a length lead. Barkley is lifting down on the inside. Pritil is on the outside. Mikey's out wide comes Sulong Pinoy. Prince Isaiah comes next. Boss Barawana, while Whistler is still racing in less. Time is running out as the 2011 Philracom Garnet 3 now reach the fourth turn. We have Barkley by our nose, and on the outside is Fritil. 2 lengths further back in third, Prince Isaiah. Sulong Pinoy. Boss Barawana is down on the inside. High Money comes next. Whistler, while Mikey is now racing in less. And as they swing for home, we have Fritil. Barkley down on the inside is Boss Barawana to take the lead. We have Boss Barawana by about 2 lengths, followed by Fritil. Barkley. Last 50 meters, the winner of the 2011 Philracom Garnet 3 belongs to Boss Barawana. Fritil, Barkley. Then comes Whistler, High Money, Sulong Pinoy, Whistler, and Mikey's.
6.251. It was Boss